Today we're gonna learn about ABCD. Here is our board. There's a whiteboard, so I'll let you memorize. So we have this pointer. So this is a bird. B for bird. So we're gonna do it later. B is for something. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? B is for bird. 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 So now we're gonna sing again, but I'll let you sing by your own first. Here. So we're gonna sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I'm gonna put to you what letter is it with. So, what is this? Very good. Letter K. What letter is this? Very good. It's M. How about this? Very good. It's H. How about this? It's letter A. So I will encircle. What will you read? So I almost picked all because I need you to learn. So read A, very good. B, very good. Very good. B, very good. 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 Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good, guys. You're doing it. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good job. Now I'm going to give you 3 stars. Perfect. Bye.